video style you need: short for social, longer for the listing page, and a tour cut for YouTube. All from the same 3D model captured by the Giraffe PRO Camera. Here's what you actually get for videos: drone style, orbit, cinematic highlights, and a tour version, all available in both portrait and landscape formats, all ready for you within a few hours after upload. Let's start with a closer look at virtual drone videos. From the 3D property model, we generate a drone fly-through. This one's for flow, continuous movement, so people understand how rooms connect, all without having to fly a drone indoors. Speed ramp videos follow a similar path, but slows down at key highlights and speeds up between transitions. Great for use in reels and stories. Orbital video is for your 3D hero shots. It shows the full space in one smooth motion, ellipsing the center of key rooms. Arc motion videos are shorter form, packaged orbital shots, showcasing more rooms in a shorter video. Cinematic videos are for short, dynamic highlights. They come in multiple themes to fit your style. Last but not least, tour videos are longer cuts, created from bracketed HDR panoramas. Best for listing pages or YouTube, when people want to keep exploring. In the editor, you can swap scenes and adjust the framing, so the video matches what you want to highlight. All these videos come from the same capture as all the other assets you'll receive with Giraffe360, available to you within hours from upload.